Hi, everybody. Thank you for tuning in today. We're getting a lot of different requests from clients who are asking us, okay, I actually want to buy the I bond, but how do I do it? So, we thought it's a great time to make this video and sort of help you every step of the way and show you how things work. Their website is not the greatest website, it's very overwhelming. It has a lot of different links, and to even the seasoned professional, it could be a little bit daunting. So hopefully this video will help you get over that hurdle and go through with the purchase, because honestly it's a great investment and we should definitely take advantage of it. The first step you want to do is actually log into treasurydirect.gov, which will bring you to the actual home page. And once you're here, you want to hover to the right side and you see a little link here that says open an account, and just go ahead and click on that. Once you're in this page, the next step is you'll see in the middle of the page somewhere here there's a little button that says Treasury Direct, or a link that says Treasury Direct. Mine is grayed out, but normally it's blue. You go ahead and click on that and it's going to take you to the next step. Once you're here, it's going to give you a little bit of a security warning. More than welcome to read it, but not a whole lot of information. And once you are ready, you just go ahead and click on apply now. Now this page is actually an important part of the process, because remember, you can buy the bond as an individual, corporation, partnership, LLC, professional LLC, sole proprietorship, or your trust, or etc. In this example, I'm just going to cover the individual. But remember, you're limited to $10,000 per person, and you can actually buy the bond under your corporation or other business entities as well, which is also still capped at $10,000. But if you own other entities, let's say you're married, you and your spouse can buy $10,000 each, and then you can buy another $10,000 under your corporation, or if you have an LLC or etc. So ultimately you can stack those and then essentially take advantage of multiple accounts. But again, this example, I'm just going to cover the individual, and it's already defaulted to the individual, so just leave it as that. And then what you want to do is down here click submit, and it'll bring you to the second step. Now this is very important. You want to make sure that anything that has a little asterisk next to it, make sure it's completely filled out. These are typical information. You should have it available easily. Obviously your first name, last name. If you want to give your account a nickname, or if you want to have multiple accounts, you want to name your account so you can identify them later. Your taxpayer ID, your social, date of birth, address, phone number, email address, and then down here make sure you want to choose the account that you want the funds to be extracted from, and used for the savings account, or say the I bond. So you can either choose checking or savings. You put all the information here, and then make sure you click that little checkbox down here, and then once you submitted everything, you go ahead and submit. All right, now that you logged in, you have your account set up, everything's ready to go. Either you already logged in or you need to log back into your account, but essentially you want to go back to treasurydirect.gov. You want to click over here, which is your account login, and you want to log into Treasury Direct. And then in the middle of the page, you see a little login button. You go ahead and log in. Go ahead and enter your account information, or your account number, and don't forget, this is the virtual keyboard. So what you want to do is click on essentially your password. Your keyboard will not function here, so you must enter your password on the screen, essentially with the virtual keyboard. Once you put your password and your image and your key information is there, you click submit, and it's going to bring you to your main screen. So yours is going to look a little bit different because you don't have anything. or you haven't purchased anything yet. But in order for you to purchase that, or actually go through with the savings account or purchase the iBond, you want to go down here or up here and click Buy Direct. Once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this main screen here, and what you want to find is the savings bonds. And remember, this is not a paper, this is actually going to be a virtual savings account or bond. And you want to click on Series I, which is over here. And once you click on that, you hit submit, and it's going to bring you on to the next screen. You want to make sure the source of fund is the one that you've already set up. And remember, you are limited to $10,000 per year. So you can buy $10,000 this year, which is going to be 2022, and you can purchase this through October of 2022. You can buy this in increments, or you can buy $10,000 at once. That sort of depends on you. You can actually do scheduled purchases, but remember, you're capped at $10,000 per person. So once you have all this information inputted, you simply hit submit, and that's it. Congratulations, you already you're on your way to earning 9.62% for the next few months at least, until it renews. Keep an eye on it, and if it's making sense, keep it. If it's not, you can take it out. But remember, you have to hold on to it for a period to earn that 9.62%. So read the fine print, make sure you're comfortable with it. And again, if you have any questions or need additional support, we're here to help you. All right, thank you for tuning in again, and hope you have a great rest of your day.